the huge fireplace, the panoramic view of the forest, the open glass area. Cheers! Cheers to everyone!
Very good.
Priya Private Theatre. Bhatura rice. I'm not sure of all the items, but I'll tell you. This is fish curry. This is dahi chicken. This is some Himachal lamb preparation. Rajma, saag, meeta chawal, and this is aloo chana ka madra. It is a heated indoor pool with some amazing view inside a forest. There's a high five. Yeah! Who loves water? Hulk, Superman, Shasha. ഡാഡി എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് ഹോട്ടല്? ഭയങ്കര ഭംഗിയല്ലേ? 6.5 ഏക്കറിലാണ്, 6.5 ഏക്കേഴ്സിലാണ് ഈ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി. അതെ, അത് കണ്ട, യു ക്യാൻ സീ സ്നോ ഫ്രം ഹിയർ. What a beautiful place.
Well arranged.
അല്ലേ? Well arranged, well maintained.
Architecture നല്ല well arranged, well maintained.
അതെ. ഇവര് വേദുവിന് ഒരു ഗിഫ്റ്റ് കൊടുത്തു, ഡാഡി കണ്ടോ? See Vedu's gift. Oh, this lollipop is simply sitting here. I'm going to eat it. Vedu, you want lollipop? No. Happy face, happy face. Look at this. Daddy, the Veduni get a gift. Snow tiger. എവിടെ പോയാലും വേദന ഗിഫ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. താങ്ക് യു. ഇതും വേദുവിന് കിട്ടിയതാ. ഇവിടെ വേദുവിന്റെ പേരൊക്കെ എഴുതി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് ഡാഡി, വർദ്ധാൻ എന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞ്. അവരിവിടെ ചോക്ലേറ്റ് ഒക്കെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നായിരുന്നു. സ്പെഷ്യൽ ചോക്ലേറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ലോളിപോപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഓൾ ഫോർ വേദു. ഡാഡി ഇത് കയറി നോക്കി. ഈ സ്ഥലത്തിന്റെ പേര് ഇറ്റ്സ് കോൾഡ് ആസ് ഫയർ പ്ലേസ്. ജസ്റ്റ് സീ ദ ഫയർ പ്ലേസ് ഇൻ ദ മിഡിൽ ഓഫ് ദ lounge. What a beautiful place, no?
See the wallpaper.
See all this tiger motifs and all this
monkeys.
Is, yeah, where's the monkey?
Nice wallpaper, no?
Monkey. I love all these motifs. That is the Tibetan inspired art. I love the centerpiece, this fireplace, and look at the view from here.
Yeah.
We are looking into the thick forest. Oh, this is so beautiful. What a place, Priya.
Absolutely stunning.
ഡാഡി ഇതിനെക്കാട്ടി നല്ല സ്ഥലം ഇവിടെ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ലല്ലോ. Yeah, see the reflection, the fire is burning here. പക്ഷേ ഇതിൽ നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ it looks like the tree is burning because of the reflection. Priya, are you in love?
I am in love with this place.
So one of the most popular activity in this resort is cocktail tasting session. But since we don't drink, we made it a mocktail tasting section, and I'm very excited because there's a lot of local recipes allengi special mocktails curated by Hyatt Dharamshala. So I'm very excited about that experience also. Lot of new experience. That's what, there are a lot of special experience curated just for this Hyatt Dharamshala. That's what makes this property extra special. So since we are in the club room, we have access to the lounge. Okay, so in the lounge they have a free cocktail session and a small buffet which goes on, which is accessible for all the suite rooms and the club rooms. I'll show you what all are there. They have jacket potato, which looks delicious. It's potato with some cheese, some pumpkin bruschetta. Wow, this looks good. Meatballs, lamb meatballs. They got some tawa machi and some baked zucchini cups. So that's what this, again the benefits keep on adding. We had complimentary high tea, now we have complimentary cocktail session. Priya, they have a lot of small snacks. Are you interested?
Yeah, I am.
Obviously. Daddy, korchu snacks edutalo. Okay?
What question is that? Why are you asking me whether I'm interested or not?
Okay, ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് എടുത്തോണ്ട് വരാം. Priya, our first mocktail is here. This looks amazing. This looks amazing. Can you explain this, Chef?
Yes. This is called
Lomi Lomi. Priya, Lomi Lomi.
one of the signature cocktail of ours.
Okay.
Ginger tea.
Ginger.
Ginger and citrus and probably the ginger ale.
Ginger ale. Okay. So ginger, citrus, and ginger ale.
It has full ginger effect.
How is it?
It has full ginger effect.
Okay, it's ginger, good for your throat, and lemon, good for your stomach. Okay, for digestion.
It's good.
It's good. Priya, try this meatball first.
Is it spicy?
It's not. It's so delicious. So delicious, Vedu. Try it. Proper muttony flavor, no? It's too good. Daddy, mutton എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? Mutton balls. നല്ലല്ലേ? It's so soft. അത്രയും soft അത്. Priya, I loved this cocktail. Mocktail. So refreshing, no? So refreshing. Oof. Sitting by the fireplace, having some mocktails and some delicious food with some good view. What more can we ask for?
Yeah.
ഇത് ഡാഡിക്ക് സ്പെഷ്യൽ പറഞ്ഞാണ്. ഡാഡി ഇത് ശാല, ധരംശാലയുടെ ശാല സാർ എന്നാണ് ഇതിന്റെ പേര്, ഈ ഡ്രിങ്കിന്റെ പേര്. ഇത് വിസ്കിയില് ആപ്രിക്കോട്ട് 48 മണിക്കൂർ ഇടും. 48 hours apricot is infused into whiskey. Lemon, ginger, and lemon and ginger is added to it. Last, with some egg white, they have topped it off. Daddy on a cocktail taster, just try it. Priya, Shala Sar. Do you want
Shala?
to? Sar.
Saro.
Yeah. Cheers. Cheers to everyone.
Very good.
Very good.
ലെമണിന്റെ ആണ് ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ തന്നെ നിൽക്കുന്നത്.
Lemon flavor.
Lemon flavor.
Egg whites in അങ്ങനെ സ്പെഷ്യൽ ടേസ്റ്റ് ഇല്ല.
ലെമൺ ഫ്ലേവർ ആണ്.
പക്ഷേ ഹൗസ് എ കോക്ടെയിൽ.
വെരി നൈസ്.
Very good. Happy. Daddy is very happy. Vedu is also happy. Vedu is special
We got
handmade
nice
cookies.
Cookies.
Priya, ready for your next drink? Next mocktail?
Yeah.
Priya, playing with your senses. That's what is going to happen in the next drink. First, let's see it and I'll explain the drink.
We'll just play the perfume of Cheddar and Jericho. One just to make aroma and flavor.
Okay. Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you.
Okay. So you know what they sprayed? ഇവിടുത്തെ local trees. We are surrounded by cedar trees. So they are sprayed cedar. Smell it. You can smell the cedar. Okay. So you feel you are in the forest. It's called Pradesh Pani. Himachal Pradesh in the Pradesh
This is cedar?
and Pani. No, that is cedar. So you're seeing cedar, you're tasting cedar, and you're smelling cedar. How amazing is that? It's made of jeera and lemon and all salt,
All natural.
all natural ingredient, and jaggery. There's no sugar.
Okay.
How's it? ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടില്ല.
Natural ingredients are less.
Yeah. I'm loving it. I love such natural drinks which is not extremely sweet. So ഇതും ശരിക്കും ഒരു little bit of jaljeera taste ഒക്കെയാണ്, masala soda taste, and I love it. So refreshing, and you feel so good having all this. Guys, our first time in our life we are having such an experience. Okay, instead of cocktail, it's mocktail tasting experience. But this has been such an amazing experience. This is also a locally curated drink with a herbal fare. So that's the name of this drink. It's actually basically mint, tulasi, basil, and honey. Priya, it's all healthy. They're so stuffed, no? How do people drink 2 to 3 glasses of beer? Let me taste it. You can taste lot of jeera, lot of honey, and lot of tulasi. Perfect detox drink. Priya, this your skin will glow.
I'm done.
Try tasting it. Just give it a try. ഞാൻ പറയില്ലേ, money is very important. അതിൻ്റെ മെയിൻ നമ്മൾ അറിയുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെ ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ്. When we spend good money and when we stay in good places, our travel experience and our life, I mean the standards go so much higher, so much. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ ഹിമാചലിൽ we stayed all over. നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടില്ലേ, നമ്മളൊരു ബഡ്ജറ്റ് ട്രാവലാണ് ചെയ്തത്. പക്ഷേ once we are in Hyatt, just see the difference in food and the hospitality and the room and the genuine happiness and experiences. That's why I told money is so important in life to enjoy good things and for happiness also. Guys, Appa, our final drink. This is the final drink, and this is the only hot drink. Okay, it's called toddy, but it doesn't have alcohol. It's basically infused water. So water is infused with cinnamon, star anise, all good things, added with some ginger, lime, citrus, orange, and stuff. So it's a hot drink. Priya, our last drink for the day. We are so full, but
hot.
it's the only hot drink in the menu. Smells so good, no? Smells very healthy. That's the problem. Normally we are used to drinking milkshakes and stuff. This has been all healthy drinks. Guys, I'll show one of the most amazing place in this resort. It's a theater, okay? They have a private theater where you'll be the only family who is watching a movie. I'll show you the place. Priya, private theater.
I know.
You can select
I'm
the
going
movies.
to watch Avengers Endgame.
Yeah, they have a list of movies. Adile edengilum you can choose and watch. Daddy, but we are late today. We have no time, Priya. There are so many activities here. We have no time to do everything. Engine, Daddy, idokka kandittundo? Look at this big screen.
And it's so comfortable.
Yeah,
sitting.
and only we'll be there.
I know.
Only we'll be there. How
Privacy.
privacy? Shit, we missed it. We should have. Oh,
We should have come.
and he's dressed right to watch Avengers also.
Yeah.
We have no time to do everything, right? We should have come. We should be here for 2 days. Only then we can enjoy this property to like totally. But let's try the swimming pool. I think so that's also closed now. Guys, so we are back in our room. We have too late. Namkonnu cheyan pattilla, but the one thing we can do 24 hours over here is the gym is open. So I thought before the dinner I'll go to gym, work out for half an hour. Even if you're traveling, you have to take care of your health. So at least half an hour of exercise is a must whenever you travel or you're at home. Okay, Appa. Priya, are you coming to exercise? So, I will exercise dinner. Okay? Half an hour. Just 30 minutes, I'll be back. So, a fully functional gym. They got this vertical trainers, cycle, lot of weights, treadmills, row machine, bench, dumbbells, everything. But I don't need anything because my trainer is in my pocket. I use Cult app. So yeah, so I use Cult app, and 30 minutes I'm going to do the workout. It's called it's called HIIT workout by Olivia. Just 30 minutes and you're done. Guys, I feel this is the best workout for people who want to work out at home or traveling. They clearly show you how to do it. You just have to follow what they say. You just need, a small room. You don't need any equipment, and it's easiest way to stay healthy and fit. A great workout session all alone in the gym. Just 35 minutes and you're gifting yourself a fitter future, a happier future. So please do work out 30 minutes. But since I'm traveling now, diet is not under control. Only if you control your diet, you can get healthy. But now I'm going to hit the buffet. So 35 minutes of hard workout. Now next, hitting the buffet really hard. Ini oru kittlen buffet aanu ivide kette. Appo nere ini kulichittu restaurant like povam. Priya, I now 400 calories burn cheyide ullu. Now I'm going to eat 2000 calories. I think it's a buffet downstairs. Guys, I told you, right, the spread is amazing. It is so huge, the spread. It will take some time to show all the items, but I'll show each and every item. It's an assisted buffet, so means they'll serve whatever we want. We can't go touch it because of COVID protocols. So I'll show you what all the items are. See, we got around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of salads. Again, lot of fresh salads over there, and breadsticks. This is moong dal ka halwa. Tom yum soup, that is Thai dish. That's a Thai dish. Tom yum soup, and they have sliced chicken in bean sauce. That's Chinese, and ball pepper and spinach stuffed chicken. So that might be continental. Mean moli. Daddy, fish moli under. That is our Kerala style. First time in Himachal, we're going to have Kerala food. Then chili garlic paneer, again Chinese. Potato dumplings in Arabica sauce, so that will be again continental. Matar paneer, which is North Indian. Saag means spinach, I think, right? Sorry? Sarson ka saag. Okay, that's sarson ka saag. Again, Szechuan noodles, Chinese, steamed rice. Nizami handi. What is that?
Sabzi.
Sabzi, that's a sabzi. Okay, first time I'm hearing that. And double dal tadka. So this is the spread. Other than that, they got again lot of appetizers, which is shish kebab, chili lime, tawa paneer, potato jalapenos. And the desserts. This is something called Rash Bara. It's a North Indian dessert, barfi. Oh, this looks amazing. Truffle mousse, chocolate truffle cake, berry baked yogurt, coconut panna cotta, fennel creme brulee. Everything looks amazing. This is Dibikan, so that looks like an Arabic dish. Mud cake, chocolate again, lot of chocolate options. Cinnamon and apple tart, that also looks amazing. Fresh fruit cake and vanilla bar. So it's a perfect. In the hill station in Dharamshala, you have an international spread. I showed you the buffet, but the chef has prepared something very, very, very local and very special for us, because we are in Himachal Pradesh, we are in Dharamshala. So this is a combination of Dharamshala, is the main settlement of Tibet. Our Tibetan exclusive Tibetan food they're planning for us, plus a local Himachal thali. The chef has traveled all around Himachal and he has learned the recipes of a few exclusive dishes. So he's going to serve us a special Himachal thali, which is non-veg. I thought Himachal thali is veg. Other special Tibetan dishes. So I'm so excited. Being a foodie and able to try such local food makes our trip totally worth it. Hi, this is Keru. This is a Himachal soup, and this is made of chickpea and yogurt and stuff. And this is tentuk, which is made of flat noodles, and it's actually a lot of vegetables. It's a Tibetan soup, so you can't get more authentic than this. The last day of our Himachal Pradesh tour is when we are tasting the real Himachal cuisine and real Tibetan food. This is going to be one hell of a dining experience. Okay, so the Himachal soup, I think so it's Keru. I get confused with the name. ഭയങ്കര ഒരു റോസ്റ്റഡ് ഫ്ലേവർ ആണ്. I can taste a bit of fermentation also. I think so it's from the curd. Perfect for a cold day. It tastes really good, creamy also. Never tasted this anywhere. We traveled a lot of places in searching for Himachal food. We never got a real authentic food, and wherever we got it was vegetarian, and I didn't like it. Daddy, after 1 month, നല്ല മീൻ കറി കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റി. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
നല്ല മീൻ, ഫിഷ് മോൾ.
നല്ല നാട്ടിൽ കിട്ടുന്ന ടേസ്റ്റ് തന്നെയാണോ? നല്ല ടേസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ഹാപ്പി അല്ല? ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡേ ഹിമാചൽ പ്രദേശ് ആണ് നല്ല മീൻ കറി കിട്ടിയത്. Oh my god, I love the Tibetan soup. Tentuk much more. I love the handmade flat noodles. It has a lot of chicken, lot of vegetable, lot of flavor. It's basically like a hot and sour soup with lot of noodles and chicken stock and chicken pieces. It tastes so good, and it's very light also. Feels so healthy eating all this. Amazing. This soup alone is actually a meal by itself. This is our authentic Tibetan dim sums. I love momos. Anyone who watches our video knows we love momos, dim sums. This is chicken and this is veg, and perfect accompaniment is this hot chili. Priya, I'm finishing everything, okay?
Don't finish it. I want to taste it.
Okay. Why does good food make you so happy? I have no idea why it is. Pasha, this momos is outstanding. You can see how fresh it is. It is full of stuffing. The batter is so tender. It tastes so good, especially with this light chili sauce. It tastes amazing. Just chicken and maybe some green chili and some onions. That's all. Priya, can I finish the momos?
No.
This is aloo pingsa. So this is basically some glass noodles, chicken in some chicken broth and some potatoes. This is Tibetan noodles and some stir-fried beans. Never seen any of these dishes. Noodles obviously is common, but I have never seen any of these dishes anywhere in any Tibetan restaurant. So very excited to try this. The Tibetan food is stunning. The noodles, you're supposed to get the taste of the wok. Means you should get a very smoky flavor, which I'm perfectly getting it. The noodles is perfectly cooked al dente, not that oily. It's perfectly seasoned. You don't need any accompaniment. You can have the noodles all by itself. It's so good. And so is the curry, okay? It's curry, but you don't need the curry. The noodles are so good. Even the simple beans preparation tastes so good. I cannot see any spices in this. Priya, this beans taste. How's the noodles? It's really nice. No, she doesn't eat noodles. Priya doesn't eat noodles, but now she finished a plate of noodles. The beans also, I don't know what is in it, but it tastes so good. if healthy food can be this tasty, then I can always eat healthy food. We had a traditional Tibetan food. Now we are having a most traditional Himachal thali in an amazing plating. That's what Priya loved. How's the plating? See, this is the plating. First, let me see. This is batura rice. I'm not sure of all the items, but I'll tell you. This is fish curry. This is dahi chicken. This is some Himachal lamb preparation. Rajma, saag, meeta chawal, and this is aloo chana ka madra. That's what this is called. Right? This was made for me, but my dear wife wants to try it. So you can taste it, and please leave all the meat items for me also.
No.
I'm excited to try actually everything. Nice? Different?
Yeah. But I think you should have this with the rice.
Rice, huh?
Not with this
Okay. And what about this one, mutton? That looks so delicious, my god. Guys, we travel. The best part of India is the food. I am 100% sure India has the most delicious and the most different food in the world. No one can come close to us. Mutton?
With that too, you need to try with the
Rice, huh? Okay, so move the batura, put the rice on the plate and start having all the meat dishes. I tasted the chicken and the mutton. Actually, there's a little bit of sourness in everything. That's why she told it perfectly. It's a perfect combination with rice. Karnam, in our place in Kerala, Kerala pulungari. We say something with pulungari, which is a bit of sourness, and it goes really well with the rice. We are almost getting that flavor with all the meat dishes. Hello.
Did you try this?
No, how's that?
It's nice.
Fish. That's also sour?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's not that sour, but that also goes with rice.
That tastes like our fish moli actually. Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to our last day in Himachal, last day in Dharamshala, and what a day it's been. The last day of our stay has been the best day. This is Hyatt Dharamshala. This is a destination by itself. It's beautiful. We had a wonderful sleep. It was pin drop silence. It was warm, and outside it was cold, and it was amazing. Now we're going for the breakfast. I'm very excited because it's been long since I had a really good buffet breakfast. Can't wait to see what's the spread. English express English flow English different try English I told right the breakfast spread will be one hell of a spread. It is so huge. I'm not speaking much. I'll show you what are the items. So happy. By this smile on my face, you can understand how good the breakfast spread is. It's been so long since I've seen such a good spread. So you got 3 drinks. So you got a lassi and maybe orange and watermelon. Lot of fresh fruits. Pepperoni, banana yogurt, papaya yogurt. Lot of breads, croissants, almond croissant is there. Suji halwa. Is that sweet?
Yes.
Okay. Rice congee. So that's something like a Southeast Asian stuff. We got delicious chicken sausages, boiled eggs, baked beans, dal vada, sambar, matar gobi keema, tomato poha. This all is North Indian. Chawal, some kind of chawal, chana, and aloo bhaji. Yeah, so they have donuts, tea cakes, carrot cakes, Danish pastries, muffins, cinnamon rolls, passion fruit, jams, lots of cheeses. Plus, they have live counters where you can have eggs and pancakes and waffles and doshas and whatnot, everything. Guys, the quality of the items is so good. So I'm starting the day with the chocolate croissant. It's so flaky, buttery. The pastry is full of butter. It's so light, so light. I think so if I blow it, it will fly away. It's that light. Filled with some delicious chocolate. This is for people in Kerala. The bacon and bacon pork in the processed meat. Okay? That's why you cook it just frying pan 5 minutes cook. Expensive bacon. എൻ്റെ ഫേവറേറ്റ് സാധനമാണ്, എസ്പെഷ്യലി ഫോർ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഇൻ സാൻഡ്വിച്ചസ്. അതും എഗ്ഗും കൂടെ കഴിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഭയങ്കര ടേസ്റ്റാണ്. കഴിക്കാത്തവരൊന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. കോൾഡ് സ്റ്റോറേജസിലൊക്കെ കിട്ടും. കഴിച്ചിട്ട് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടെന്ന് എന്നോടൊന്ന് പറയാം. ഇൻസ്റ്റയിൽ മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്യുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ യൂട്യൂബിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യുക. I love the croissant. It's a must try. It's so flaky. You can just see it. If I just touch it, see how it crumbles. It's that flaky. The suji alwa. First time I'm trying it. It is a sweet dish. It is delicious. It's creamy. It is like well cooked rava. It is so tasty. And just look at the quality of the bacon and omelette. It's a cheese omelette. I'm loving it. The breakfast is unbelievable. All the meals have been good. That's why our stay over here has been taken to the next level. Since the food is so good, we are so happy. I personally believe this is the highlight of the resort. I was waiting from yesterday to do this. It is a heated indoor pool with some amazing view inside a forest. Got like superb lounge area. You can, if you don't want to get in the pool, you can just sit here and relax. They have a kids pool, and this is the main thing. Let's see how beautiful it is. It's a heated pool. It's a heated pool and the view. So I can't wait to get in this. As you think only I love water, just take a look at my son. Because he has long hair, don't think he's a girl. Everyone has that mistake. He's a boy. Look who's excited to go into the pool. Wave the high five. Yeah! Yeah! Who loves water? Jump, 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 jump. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Our first experience in a heated pool. It's so nice. The water is not very hot. It's just warm. It's just lightly warm, and I can spend hours in this pool, especially with my Vedumon and with this beautiful view. Priya is still having breakfast, so she won't get in the pool. She's scared of water, but she can sit here and lounge. I'm sure she'll be very jealous. Priya is very jealous of us enjoying the garden. Vedu umma. We both love water. We both love water. Priya, the pool is heated. You're missing it. And you know the best part? Vedu can alone be in the pool. He's not scared of water, so he can alone. And that's also heated. The kids' pool is also heated. It's so nice. Look at the view from here. And it's the most beautiful.
Heated pool. അവിടെ നല്ല
തണുപ്പും. As I don't want to get out of the pool. We've been in the pool only for 1 hour, and time is up. Time is up means we have to check out. We have to go. And Vedu is also sad coming out of the pool, but we have to go. What to do? But just come here, get into the pool, spend hours in the pool. That is the first thing you have to do when you come to Dharam. Pool ni bye vara. Pinna kaanam vara. Flying kiss koduteke. Oh. Guys, after swimming session, next thing before checkout, what we wanted to do is there's a thing called Camp Hyatt here. It's actually kids play area where Vedu can have lots of fun. I don't know what's inside there, but if he plays and enjoys, he'll be tired and then he'll sleep for the rest of our journey. So then we'll have a comfortable journey. Vedu, playtime Vedu. Playtime Vedu. Guys, this is a must in all resorts because once kids have something like this, they'll be pretty happy for the rest of the day. They have a toy push cart, a play area, small slide, basketball loop, and it's a pretty big area. They have carom board, kids play area, Captain America. Vedu, if Vedu sees it, he'll love it. Toilet. Oh, this is amazing. Vedu, Appa, I'll show you something. Come. There is Captain America. Captain America, Vedu. Look here. Hulk, Superman, Shasha. His favorite Avengers.
Oh gosh.
Shasha.
Shasha.
Vedu, happy ana Vedu? Happy ana Vedu? Push. Come. Vedu, Hulk in the Maythoda Kodikata Vandi. എല്ലാ 5 മിനിറ്റ് അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് എഴുന്നേറ്റ് അടുത്തേക്ക് ഇത്രയും ടോയ്സ് കണ്ടുകൊണ്ട് he doesn't know what to do after he saw so many toys. Where do they horse? Horse. Horse. Now the hard part will be taking him out of here. That's going to be the hard part. Horse. Do the Shasha ball. Shasha ball. Kick. Whoa. Very good you didn't come to the play area. He was not coming out.
എനിക്കറിയാം അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ വരാം.
Now our last experience of our tea tasting. I'm excited about this. We've never done a proper tea tasting session. There are 9 different types of teas. They are every tea le. It's a local plantation. They're tied up with a local plantation called Anandini, and they are making this different types of teas only for this resort. Exclusively for the resort.
Light, medium, strong.
Okay, so this is a timer. So they take the tea very seriously, and we can like this is light. This is medium. This is strong. So what do you want? I think so. We'll take strong. Another we'll get the flavor. Priya, you please have 2-3 glasses of this. Please give her 2-3 glasses of this.
Why?
Because it's a calming tea. Will you be calm after drinking this? That's what I want to know. Are you ready? Yeah. It's actually tailor-made for this winters, right?
Yeah.
That's what I feel. It's a perfect winter drink. So this is our final tea. The ingredients of these are like black tea with rose petals, corn flour, lemongrass, lavender, cardamom, chamomile. Priya, again, this is them all calming tea, Daddy. It's basically for the winter.
കാമിംഗ് ആയിട്ടാണ് തോന്നുന്നു, ഉറക്കം വരും.
After she drank 1 glass of tea and now she's feeling sleepy.
Sleepy now.
Imagine in a cold night having a tea, sitting in the room with just your pajamas and socks, and then going to sleep after that. We have to come here during snow next time, okay, for sure. So you had 2 glasses, no?
Yeah,
And you're calm, no?
very much.
It's okay. Daddy, can you have the tea?
Different from other
Normal green teas, right?
green tea we get from
Yeah.
our place.
Priya, our Hayat stay is coming to an end, Priya. What to do? I'm missing. We should have been here for at least 1 more day, no?
2 days we have.
Yeah, sure. So after a wonderful day, which is actually very less sufficient for enjoying this property, we are checking out. Our next stop is Amritsar. So Priya, how's it? 4 hours of long travel through the hills. So I think they have something, a return gift or something.
This is small something from all of us.
So this return gift, I won't be showing what it is. It's something very special, okay? മലയാളി നമ്മുടെ കേരള ഓഡിയൻസിനെ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണിച്ചു തരാം എന്താ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത്. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത വ്ളോഗിൽ കാണുന്നവരെ സ്റ്റേ ഹെൽത്തി, സ്റ്റേ ഹാപ്പി, ബൈ ബൈ.